This year is coming to an end, and this means that soon you would start getting invitations to a lot of parties and get-togethers. While some of you are bold enough to carry an ultra-glam look, some of you believe that less is more. And if you fall under the second category, then this POPxo Makeup Masterclass is just for you. If you want to figure out how I got this look, then keep on watching. So that was it for the video, guys. Do let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And while you're at it, do check out POPxo.com because we've got some really cool merch like doormats, wall clocks, mugs, and especially a really amazing range of beauty products which will blow your mind. The link is in the description below. For more such makeup tutorials and hair care videos, tune into POPxo Daily.